Okay, out here at Ritchey Woods Nature Preserve, going to hike this trail. Apparently it's about a 3-mile hike, I think. I don't know if it's an out and back trail or not. I've got to research that when I get in here. Pretty cool cabin out here, as you can see. It's pretty neat. But anyway, this trail has some really good reviews online. I was looking it up. I'm in Fishers, Indiana. I believe it's where this is located. So let's see here. I have some flyers. Ritchey Woods Nature Preserve. Yeah, pretty cool. So tag along and let's go out and hike this trail. Let's do it. Pretty bluebird day today. It's cold. Today is November 1st. I think it's about 33 degrees out here, something like that. So definitely a little chilly out. I was hoping to get some good fall colors, but it looks like a lot of the leaves have already fallen. So not a ton. So a lot of the leaves have fallen. Been really pretty if all the leaves have been in the trees still. It's just been a really weird time here this fall anyway, where it's been so dry and now wet and cold. Really pretty though. What was that? Oh, the squirrels are throwing acorns at me. I love these kind of bridges. That's what I saw on the map whenever I was looking at this place. That's what made me really want to come out here. Got some really good picnic areas out here. Over there's a big picnic shelter. Quite a few tables, and here is a restroom situation. Always good to have facilities. So definitely a top-notch quality park. Excellent facilities. Yeah, it looks like they have a fire pit out here as well. This is cool. I see firewood over there. So I guess you come out here and just make your own fire pit. They have a lock on it though. Okay, I gotta say, pretty good little hike today. It's nothing crazy out there. It's kind of just walking around, you know, seeing a few different things. But the weather was perfect today. It actually warmed up really nicely. I'm actually pretty warm right now. But it was definitely chilly earlier this morning. But I would say maybe a couple miles, something like that's what I hiked out here. And a lot of the trails are just out and backs, kind of, or loops, you know, kind of things. Give it a good review because it is a nice park, and it's definitely something worth checking out if you're in the area up here. Something I would highly recommend. So let's continue on. and we'll find more parks to explore. Let's do it.